In this video, we will walk you through the install of the awesome new K11 bumper for the iPhone XS Max. This bumper stands out even in our lineup to give your phone the best protection a case can get while still allowing you to enjoy the slim design of the iPhone. As you open up the packaging, you will see the install instructions right inside, and on the back, you will see a list of awesome features for this new and improved K11 design. With this K11, we feel that we really got back to our roots, featuring a stronger, more form-fitting shape and a 3-layer construction of TPU, PC, and stainless steel to eliminate bend and keep the integrity of the bumper. You will love the feel of this K11 bumper in your hand. When you're ready to install the K11 on your phone, start by making sure you have the phone and the bumper oriented in the same direction so the volume buttons and mute switch are on the same side. Then insert the top of the phone into the bumper, followed by the bottom. If you need to remove the bumper, just reverse the process by starting with the bottom, holding the corner of the bumper in your pointer finger and pushing down on the screen with your thumb, and then sliding the phone out of the bumper. And there you have it. Now go out into the world, knowing that your iPhone is under the protection of the most amazing K11 bumper we have ever built.